It's been 6 months since a tornado ripped through Ruston and destroyed many homes, roads, and trees. Now a company from Dallas is partnering with the city of Ruston, and they tell NBC 10's Hunter Release they're going to donate 150 trees to victims of that tornado. Hunter?
Chelsea, the city of Ruston wants the public to understand that these trees are completely free and only take a quick application process to have a tree donated to your home.
6 months ago, Ruston was hit by a tornado that left the city covered in rubble. Now, the community just wants everything to go back to the way it was.
I live like one street over, and so I want our community to look good again.
Residents say as soon as the tornado hit, they searched for a way to replace fallen trees that covered their neighborhood for over 100 years.
Within the next week, a small group of us were researching, trying to figure out, how do you do a widespread tree planting? We found this organization in Dallas and got connected with them, and here we are.
Retreat is an organization that specifically provides disaster relief by planting trees and fixing the landscape of destroyed communities. The trees are a symbol of hope and a future for the city of Ruston as they're trying to rebuild a community that's still struggling with the devastation of the tornado 6 months later. Anyone who is a tornado victim can apply for a free tree to be planted at their home.
We will, as a group, get together with all of those applications probably after Christmas, so early January, and figure out how many requests we have and how much money we have. And then the goal is to try to plant as many as we can. It will probably be 2 per, like a normal size lot.
Retreat will start planting trees in Ruston early February next year.
They're 15-gallon trees, and they're roughly 10 feet tall. I forget the width, but they're healthy-sized trees, not seedlings.
Remember, the trees are free. All you have to do is apply. For a full description on how to apply, you can go to this story on myarklamiss.com. In the studio, Hunter Elise, NBC 10, your local news leader.